Hi, hello, my dear friends. How are you doing today? Welcome back to my channel, Mind and Energy Management Cool Strategies. It's been long time since I have made my last video. In the last video, I promised that I will talk about the topic which is in connection with the goal setting. So the topic is opportunities. Are we waiting for the right one? What and how to think? So, with respect to opportunities, there are many statements, right? Wait for the right opportunities. Opportunities can come from anywhere. Opportunities can come at any time, something like that. But today we will discuss what is the actual truth. The truth is that opportunities are present in front of you right now, and it would be there at all times. But it is us who are failing to see it right now. Sometimes we see the opportunities but we do not grab it as if it is not for us. Maybe it is not of your interest, or maybe it might not be of your passion. But there are certain opportunities which we will see and which are in your interest areas as well, but still we do not grab it. Why? Because your mind would come up with lots of excuses, right? Maybe it's too risky, it requires too much of hard work. What if I fail? Already I'm earning well and in comfort zone. Like that, your mind would come up with lots of excuses. So the question is, why are we failing to see the opportunities? Or even if we see them, why are we not grabbing it? Of course, I mentioned that you would be coming up with lots of excuses. But again, what is the ground reality? Why is the mind coming up with lots of excuses like that? The reality is that to identify and execute any opportunity, we need certain skills. For example, it could be technical skill, non-technical skill, decision making skill, working art skills, smart skills, and the list goes big, right? If you are ready with those skills, then you would see the opportunities. Otherwise, you are not sure whether it is a right opportunity for you or not, and thus you will fear to grab the opportunity. And that is when your mind would come up with lots of excuses, right? There is another important factor here, that is external factors. If you think that it is not in your control, then for now keep it aside. Okay, just focus on things that are in your control. Now I want to talk about the connection with mind and energy management. Okay, see, I mentioned that there are many skills that are required to identify and grab the opportunities. Now these skills can be sorted at different levels, right? At the root level, what is it that is required? My main focus here is on the root cause for not grabbing the opportunities. So let us see. When you grab the opportunities, you might have to do hard work, and also you need to be very consistent for long duration, and also you have to do better decisions. See, for all of this, don't you think that we need lots of energy? You need to be very attentive, right? Which would come up when you are very energetic. In fact, for any technical or non-technical skill, at the base level you need energy management skills to learn those skills, right? So energy levels plays a crucial role in identifying and grabbing the opportunities. Now consider the another point. What do you think? Who is the greatest enemy of yours? Don't you think it is your mind? Mind tricks you with lots of excuses for not grabbing the opportunities, right? So mindset plays a bigger role here. Your mind management skills come into picture. Now I hope you got the clarity on why mind and energy management at the root level plays a bigger role in identifying and grabbing the opportunities, and why one should work on mind and energy management skills in the first place before acquiring any other skill. I hope you got that. With this, let us move to the implementation aspect. See, there are many combinations here. The first thing is opportunities which are in your comfort zone. If you grab it, and if it is in your comfort zone, you can easily execute it. But there are many opportunities which are not in your comfort zone. So what should you be doing? See, finally these opportunities are translated into goals, right? So in the previous video I have spoken about which approach is the best for the implementation. Here I will summarize with respect to opportunities. Okay, in reality, all the time you cannot be ready with all those skills, right? So you are not in your comfort zone anyway. When you are picking up the opportunity, you grab opportunities even though they are not in your comfort zone, but try to build the skills on the fly. If you succeed, double advantage, your goal is also achieved, and also you would have learned new skill. If you don't succeed, still you are in advantage because you would have learned new skills, which in the long run would give you an edge in the rest of your life. Okay. So now I hope you got the clarity on why, on what and how to think when it comes to opportunities. I hope you will grab bigger and better opportunities, and also I hope to grab the bigger opportunities you will work on mind and energy management skills. The time has come for me to explain or discuss about the more advanced tool required for mind and energy management skills. I will do that in my upcoming videos. Please stay tuned. If you're watching this video, means you might be interested in performing better in whatever the task that you're doing, and you want to see yourself a better version each and every time by doing great things with this. So please do subscribe, if that is the case, for more videos. Okay, thanks for watching, my dear friends. Have a great day. Bye bye, take care.